Hey Hoopers, how's it going? So I had a request for the 3V weave, so that's double hoop. So the prerequisite for this move is how to know how to do a 2-beat weave. So I won't explain it in that tutorial. There's loads of tutorials online that you can find. So if you know how to do a 2-beat weave and you want to upgrade to the 3-beat weave, then that's for you. So 3-beat weave, as you can see, the 2-beat weave, my right hand here is, right arm is always on top of my left. A 3-beat weave would look like this. So you have your opposite arm always going on top. So to start with, we're gonna start with just the right hand. So you gotta be able to hoop on your hand and then practicing doing that thumb switch. So hand, thumb, hand, thumb. So you're here with your 4, then you do like a kind of a puppet, and then you open, and then you open your hand. You don't scoop under, because I see a lot of people doing that type of thing. I don't even know how they do, but they're trying to close their hand. You want to have your hand as if you were doing a stop or a high five to someone. So you have to practice this on both hands. And the first drill is doing your weave and then having one rotation on your thumb on your left side with your right hand, on the left side with your left hand on the right side. So you'll do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So once you're really comfortable with both hands, so that alone can take a little bit of practice. Once you get this, you're gonna start to incorporate your other arm. So if you have poise, it's good to practice with poise because you don't have the whole thingy with fingers that you have to think about. You can just practice this arm under goes over, on the other side over. So it's like kind of knitting, you know, over, under, anyways. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your, that's how I learned it. So you're gonna take your left arm and do a fist like this, and that's basically your arm. So as you do the rotation over. So I'll show you on the side. It's rotation over. See, I'm gonna try and do it as slow as possible. And here I bring it. So once you're comfortable with that, you're gonna try with your left hand. So over, rotation, over, brewing under, and there it goes over. So it's gonna really trick up your mind at the beginning. You're not gonna understand when to go, but if you're quite good with the poise already, you should be okay. And one of my advice for this trick, it's once you really worked on the drills and you're really comfortable on your both sides, and then you're trying to have your 2 hoops together. At the beginning try to think about it, but then eventually just try to go with the momentum and not going too slow, because if you go super slow you won't have the rotation. So at some point you have to let go and just try and make mistakes over and over again. So to start doing it really with the 2 hoops, you're just gonna start in a weave with the right hand on top. So in front it's like this, and then as you can see, once my right here will be on the left, I'm gonna open, and then at the beginning you're gonna do really big circles. So over, 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 over. And then as you're gonna get more and more comfortable, you're gonna try and get your wrists really close together. It's exactly the same as poise. So at the beginning it's like this, and you're gonna chase, and it's gonna go everywhere. It's gonna be a bit frustrating, but trust me, you'll get it. And then you try to keep those wrists together. There you go. So I hope this was clear, and if you have any question, please comment and I'll try and answer. Happy hooping!